Shopping for groceries. Hello everyone, and welcome to the 10th episode in our English learning series. Today, we are going to talk about a very important weekly routine: shopping for groceries. Groceries are the food and other items you buy for your home. Doing this well helps you eat healthy and delicious meals all week. I will take you through my whole process, from planning at home to putting the food away. Every Monday morning, I do my grocery shopping. I like to go in the morning because the store is quiet and the produce is very fresh. But before I even leave my house, I do the most important part. I make a plan and a list. First, I think about the meals for the week. What do I want to cook for dinner each night? For example, this week, I plan to make chicken with vegetables on Monday, pasta on Tuesday, and fish on Wednesday. Planning my meals helps me know exactly what food I need to buy. Next, I look in my kitchen. I open the refrigerator to see what I have. I see I have some eggs and butter, but I need more milk. I look in the pantry. The pantry is a large cupboard where we keep dry foods like rice, pasta, and cans. I have rice, but I need to buy a box of pasta. Now, I'm ready to write my shopping list. A list is my best friend at the grocery store. It helps me remember everything and saves me time. I organize my list by the sections of the store. This makes shopping much faster. My list looks like this: produce: apples, bananas, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, carrots; meat: fish, chicken breasts, white fish; bakery: whole wheat bread; dairy: milk, yogurt, cheese; dry goods: pasta, cereal, canned tomatoes. With my list and my reusable bags, I am ready to go to the grocery store. I arrive at the store and get a shopping cart. The first section I visit is always the produce section. This is where they sell fresh fruits and vegetables. The colors here are beautiful. I see red apples, yellow bananas, and green lettuce. I look at my list. First, apples. I choose 6 shiny red apples and put them in a bag. Next, bananas. I get a bunch of 5. Then I get the vegetables: a head of lettuce, some bright red tomatoes, and a few onions and carrots. I make sure everything looks fresh and good. After the produce section, I walk to the bakery. The smell of fresh bread is wonderful. My list says I need whole wheat bread. I find a soft loaf and place it gently in my cart so it doesn't get squashed. Next, I go to the meat counter at the back of the store. There is a person working behind the counter. I wait my turn and then say, "Hello, can I please have 2 chicken breasts?" The person gets them for me, wraps them, and puts a price sticker on the package. I say, "Thank you," and put the chicken in my cart. I will do the same for the fish I need for Wednesday. Now, I move to the dairy aisle. This aisle is very cold to keep the food fresh. I open the glass door of the refrigerator section and take a large carton of milk. I look at my list again. I also need yogurt and cheese. I find my favorite kind of yogurt and a block of cheddar cheese. With all the fresh food in my cart, I move to the center aisles of the store. These aisles are for dry goods. My list says I need pasta, cereal, and canned tomatoes. I walk down the aisle and look for the pasta. There are many shapes. I choose spaghetti. In the next aisle, I find my favorite cereal for breakfast. I also get 2 cans of chopped tomatoes for my pasta sauce. I check each item off my list as I put it in the cart. I have almost everything. I quickly check my list one last time. It looks like I have everything. My cart is full and I am ready to pay. I push my cart to the checkout area at the front of the store. I choose a lane with a short line. When it is my turn, I say, "Hello," to the cashier. I begin to place all my groceries on the conveyor belt. I try to put the heavy things first, like the cans and the milk. The cashier scans each item. I watch the screen to see the prices. When everything is scanned, the cashier tells me the total amount. "That will be $52.30, please," she says. I pay with my card. The payment is approved, and she gives me my receipt. A receipt is the paper that shows what you bought. Now it is time to pack my bags. I use my own reusable bags. I pack carefully. I put the cold items together. I make sure the bread and the eggs are on top so they do not break. I say, "Thank you, have a nice day," to the cashier. I push my cart with the full bags out of the store. But the job is not finished yet. When I get home, the final step is to unpack the groceries. I take everything out of the bags. The cold food must go into the refrigerator and freezer first. I put the milk, yogurt, cheese, chicken, and fish in the refrigerator. I put any frozen items in the freezer. Next, I put away the fruits and vegetables. Then, the dry goods like pasta, cereal, and cans go into the pantry. Finally, the bread goes into the bread box. Now, my kitchen is full of fresh, healthy food for the week. My refrigerator is full and my pantry is stocked. I feel organized and ready to cook delicious meals for my family. Making a plan and using a list makes grocery shopping easy and stress-free.